Hey there, dog lovers. Are you tired of dealing with behavioral issues with your furry friends? Well, we've got some exciting news for you. Introducing the Online Dog Trainer, the ultimate platform designed to help you train your pets effectively and humanely. Let's dive right in and explore what this amazing platform has to offer. First things first, the Online Dog Trainer provides a range of structured training programs suitable for dogs of all ages. From mischievous puppies to wise old dogs, they've got you covered. These programs are broken down into easy-to-follow video tutorials, making it a breeze for you to understand and implement the training techniques. Now, let's talk about the expert guidance you'll receive. The brains behind this platform is none other than professional dog trainer Dan Abdelnour, also known as Doggy Dan. His expertise shines through in the detailed, step-by-step instructions provided for each training module. Doggy Dan's training methods focus on positive reinforcement, ensuring that your pet learns effectively and happily. But that's not all. When you join the Online Dog Trainer, you become part of a supportive community. You'll gain access to a forum where you can interact with other dog owners facing similar challenges. Seek advice from Doggy Dan and his team, and participate in regular Q&A sessions. The community support is invaluable in addressing ongoing training issues and sharing experiences with fellow dog enthusiasts. Now, let's talk about the versatile resources available on this platform. In addition to the video tutorials, you'll find downloadable guides, podcasts, and articles to supplement your training journey. The best part? The platform is mobile-friendly, allowing you to access all the training materials on the go. Train your pup while you're on a walk or at the park, it's that convenient. But don't just take our word for it. We've scoured the internet for user reviews, and the Online Dog Trainer has received high praise from its users. Customers love the easy navigation, effective training methods, and responsive customer support. However, some users feel that the subscription costs are slightly high. But hey, when you see the effective results, it's worth the investment. In conclusion, the Online Dog Trainer offers a well-rounded and effective approach to dog training. With the expertise of a professional combined with user-friendly resources, you'll be equipped to tackle any behavioral issue your furry friend throws your way. Whether you have a hyperactive puppy or an older dog with ingrained habits, this platform has the valuable guidance you need to train your pet. So, what are you waiting for? If you're ready to embark on a training journey like no other, give the Online Dog Trainer a try. Start with the Dog Calming Code, a fantastic program that will help you calm your furry friend. Click the link in our description to start or learn more now. Remember, start with the Dog Calming Code, a fantastic program that will help you calm your furry friend. Click the link in our description to start or learn more now. Remember, a well-trained dog is a happy dog. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to create a lifelong bond with your four-legged companion. Join the Online Dog Trainer today and unleash the full potential of your furry friend.